right thing to say at all, and I don't support that. But what I would say is there has always been a huge grey area when it comes to a mail-in ballot. We have the same problem here with postal votes in the UK. They are very, very vulnerable to manipulation, and I think he raised this a long time ago at the start of the campaign, given the circumstances of COVID, knowing there was going to be a lot of postal ballots. And we've seen online examples of ballots being dumped and things like that. So, I think after the election,
surely the point about the postal ballots is that they are from people who don't want to queue because they're worried about COVID, and people who are worried about COVID may well blame Mr. Trump for letting it get out of